we are now being told that bail is a right. Really. Somebody has killed a person and you see him walking here. This is a provocation, I can tell you.
A provocation because, according to Museveni, the traditional justice system, an eye for an eye, suits his argument. However, experts of the law warn that this line of thought could lead to a dangerous precedent being peddled by the president.
We already have people committed to the High Court on remand, and they spent 6, 7, 8 years on remand without being released. And then eventually when their trial comes up, the state has either no evidence against them or they are acquitted, and the state can't even compensate them. So what is going to happen in such scenarios?
The president is sending fear down the spines of the judicial officers. The president is interfering with the independence of the judiciary. They can no longer work independently because they are afraid.
President of the Law Society, Pheona Wall, NABASA, says bail as a constitutional right remains a prerogative of court and is given with utmost consideration of several circumstances.
We need to realize that not everybody has been able to access it. So to remove it right now, to remove bail from the Constitution, especially for capital offences, is to remove the presumption of innocence on which it's based. I do not agree that that is the prescription we should give.
However, President Museveni argues that bail may allow suspects interfere with the investigations. But NABASA says the government institutions responsible for handling the justice process have a lot to improve to facilitate quick and fair trials.
We need to ensure that the police in their execution of their duties respect due process. Everybody that is arrested should have a right to a lawyer, should be told what the offense is about.
What the president is not saying is that the institutions that investigate criminality are poorly equipped, they're poorly trained, they cannot investigate a crime to its logical conclusion most of the time. And then they're hiding behind that inefficiency to try to create a picture that we have made arrests and they're in custody.
Currently, more than 40% of all people languishing in Ugandan jails are on remand.
In the capital offences category, aggravated defilement takes the lead, because we have 5,937 convicts and 10,694 convicts, followed by murder. We have 5,391 convicts and 10,443 remands.
The origin of bail follows the legal principle enshrined under Article 28 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, which states that a suspect is innocent until proven guilty.